Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, a city where modernity dances harmoniously with tradition, creating a captivating tapestry of culture, cuisine, and cutting-edge architecture. Join us on a mesmerizing journey through Kuala Lumpur's iconic landmarks, vibrant culture, and the unique experiences that make it a traveler's paradise. Our adventure begins amidst the hustle and bustle of Kuala Lumpur's lively streets, where street food vendors offer tantalizing treats, and colorful markets beckon with treasures waiting to be discovered. Gaze in awe at the Petronas Twin Towers, an architectural masterpiece that defines the city's skyline. Ascend the steps of Batu Caves and explore the Sultan Abdul Samad Building, testaments to Kuala Lumpur's rich history and progress. Embark on a culinary adventure as you savor Kuala Lumpur's diverse cuisine, from mouth-watering street food at hawker stalls to unforgettable dining experiences at fine restaurants. Taste the fusion of Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors. Immerse yourself in Kuala Lumpur's vibrant cultural scene, with world-class museums, art galleries, and lively festivals that celebrate the city's multicultural heritage. Find tranquility in the heart of the city at the KL Bird Park and the KL Forest Eco Park, where lush greenery and exotic wildlife provide a serene escape. As the sun sets over Kuala Lumpur, the city's skyline comes alive with a dazzling display of lights, creating a magical ambience that's simply unforgettable. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a foodie, a culture lover, or an adventurer at heart, Kuala Lumpur has something for everyone. Hit that like button, share the excitement with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more exhilarating travel content.